Hey guys, Jason Guyman here with Christmas lights. And so today I want to show you how we make a pole so we can hang Christmas lights on tree up to 25 feet using a paint roller. Don't have to be this long of one, but a paint roller and Mr. Long Arm. It's a 24-foot extension pole. So what we're going to do is we're going to make a nice little kirk in here, and that way when we're hanging our lights, you'll see in my other videos how we use this and how we're able to push up on them lights, how we're able to pull down on lights, and all kinds of stuff. So what we do is, so what I'm using here is a piece of metal on the van. You can use, I've used a bumper, all kinds of things. And what we're going to do is we're going to stick this in here. And we want the curve right there. So we're gonna just bend that right around there, just like so. We'll get it out of there, and there we go. We got a nice looking paint hook. This will screw right onto Mr. Long Arm, and then we're able to take this pole and put them lights right up to the top. Check out my other videos for how to install Christmas lights on trees. Whether it's a small tree, I'll do a video on it, and a large tree. Please subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great holiday season. Thanks. Bye.